This is a tour of the Royal Sonesta Chicago Riverfront. This is the State King residence, and this is room 2204. These rooms on the north side of the building face the river, so you don't get a river view on this side of the building. This is the main entrance. Got some welcome doors here. Nice little vacuum and sweeper. This is the living room. A lot of space here. A lot of lighting. TV. Here's the view at nighttime from the back. There's not much here. You do have dual temperature thermostats, on both sides. One in the bedroom, one over here. Here's a dining room, or kitchen, dining room, whatever you want to call it. Here's the kitchen. You do have a microwave and dishwasher. A lot of glasses here. Plates. Mixing bowl. Coffee machine, a blender. Fancy sink. Toaster. You do have a refrigerator here. A lot of space in here. You got a freezer compartment here. And even a freezer compartment down here. This is my stuff, but I did include this stuff. I haven't looked through this. Salt and pepper. Lemonade. Some sugar. Teas. Special coffee. If you come to this side of the room, you have the bathroom entering this way, and you have the bedroom entering this way. You have a closet here with an iron, and there's a safe here. This is the size of the safe. I haven't opened it. This is the bedroom, king size bed. You have two adapters over here for charging. You have a TV here. You have this fancy Bose speaker. Here's the second thermostat to control this temperature in the room. You have the same setup here. Two charging ports. A lot of drawers everywhere. This is the bathroom. A lot of towels down here. Love this mirror. It lights up all the way. And you got a magnifying mirror over here. Got a ginormous bathtub. More towels. The toilet's in here. Basic. You have a full-size mirror over here. Just took a shower, but got a nice big shower here. You have the spout. You have this little spray and a rainfall. And that is it. Bathroom also connects here.